Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Suzuki GSX-R750. This super sport just arrived with only 13,470 miles. This is a one-owner machine. New tires a couple of months ago. Beautiful condition, black and gray. It's been fully serviced here at this dealership. Come on by and make your middleweight super sport dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.